Hey there, health seekers! Welcome back to our channel where we explore natural and effective ways to boost your well-being. Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural way to boost your health overnight? Something that doesn't require expensive supplements or complicated routines? Well, today I'm sharing a folk remedy that's been creating quite a buzz: drinking olive oil mixed with lemon juice before bed. This simple concoction is believed to offer a myriad of health benefits. Let's dive into the magic of these two everyday ingredients. You might be surprised at how powerful they can be when combined. Olive oil is not just any oil, it's liquid gold. This ancient elixir has been cherished for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Packed with monounsaturated fats, it supports heart health by controlling blood pressure and lowering cholesterol levels. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. And don't forget, it's bursting with antioxidants that fight off those nasty free radicals. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Now let's squeeze in some lemon juice. This zesty fruit is more than just a flavor enhancer. Lemons are tiny but mighty, loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that boost your immune system and promote overall health. They also aid in digestion and help detoxify the body. Together, olive oil and lemon juice create a powerhouse of nutrition. But wait, there's more! This combination is also known for its potential to improve skin health and provide a natural energy boost. Some people swear by this combo for detoxification and reducing inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil, combined with the detoxifying effects of lemon juice, make it a popular choice. Though scientific evidence is limited, the natural properties of these ingredients make it a popular choice for those looking to cleanse their bodies. Many have reported feeling lighter and more energized after incorporating this into their nightly routine. Are you struggling with digestion? Bloating, indigestion, and irregular bowel movements can be quite uncomfortable. A tablespoon of olive oil before bed might just be the gentle nudge your digestive system needs. It can help lubricate the digestive tract and promote smoother bowel movements. And when paired with lemon juice, it's believed to enhance digestion and potentially aid in weight loss. The combination may help in breaking down fats and improving metabolism. Before you rush to your kitchen, let's talk calories. While this remedy is beneficial, it's important to be mindful of your overall calorie intake. Remember, 1 tablespoon of olive oil contains about 120 calories. It's crucial to balance this with your daily dietary needs to avoid unwanted weight gain. It's important to integrate this into a balanced diet to reap maximum health benefits. Pair it with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for a well-rounded nutritional profile. For a delightful mix, try 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with a splash of fresh lemon juice. This simple recipe can be easily prepared and enjoyed. Extra virgin olive oil is particularly rich in polyphenols, known for their health-boosting properties. These compounds have been linked to reduced inflammation and improved heart health. So before you tuck yourself in tonight, consider this natural remedy. It might just be the simple addition your nightly routine needs for better health. While it's gaining popularity, remember that scientific backing is still limited. Always approach new health trends with a balanced perspective. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs. Transform your health 1 tablespoon at a time. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time. Sweet dreams and healthy nights. May this simple remedy bring you the restful sleep and vibrant health you deserve. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel.